another tree off the house. As you can see, we got today's Saturday. Pretty little cold this morning. Just want to show you. We're gonna remove this cherry tree over here, and we're gonna do some work on this oak. We're gonna raise it up a little bit of the house. We got some dead branches up there, some dead wood, so I need to come out there. And all right, wish us good luck. All right, here we are. We got one climber up here, down there, house down here, couple guys, one over here, one somewhere down there on the ground. We got Tim up here removing the cherry. All right, a little windy. It is a little windy today, but it's still nice. All right. One climber right here. One climber right here. And 10 up there. Just gotta remove this dead branch. But looking better. Looking better. Here we are, almost done. I already worked on the oak. We're almost done removing the cherry. Alright. Alright. Clean your room to bring it down. Good job, guys. Well, here we are, another tree off the house. As you can see, we got that's about 6 to 10 feet of clearance right there. We got more up here, over there on the neighbor's house. There you go, another tree off the house. Looking good, nothing touching the roof. Plenty of clearance. Right here, and this one.